Bird's name in English and Hindi. Crow, crow. Crow means kawa. Dove, dove. Dove means kapotak. Peacock, peacock. Peacock means more. Duck, duck. Duck means batak. Sparrow, sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. Hen, hen means murgi. Cuckoo, cuckoo means koyal. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Kingfisher means ram chiraiya. Myna, myna means manna. Ostrich, ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. Owl, owl means ullu. Crane, crane means saras. Partridge, partridge means titar. Parrot, parrot means tota. Cock, cock means murga. Quail, quail means bater. Swan, swan means Hans. Vulture, vulture means gidh.